name is Pamela Haskell, and I work as a planner in Calgary. And as a volunteer, I work on public art projects in local communities. Primarily, I work as the organizer and administrator. What my goal is generally to obtain all the permissions and paperwork and grants and basically put it together as a project that I can then hand off to an artist, so the artist can focus on the artwork and creating it rather than the administration and the grant writing. This one, I became aware of it actually just through an Instagram ad that said, "Do you have an idea for a community art project?" And I didn't, but it seemed like something that might be interesting. So I just read through it, and as I walked through my community in like the coming week, I just thought about like, what would I do if I were to, like, where would an art project go? What would it be? And I'm surprised it almost took me so long, because I have walked through this tunnel that connects Thorncliffe to Nose Hill hundreds and hundreds of times, and it's dark and dingy and scary, and no one's ever really done anything to it. So it just occurred to me that like this would be the perfect place to have a mural and have something to make it into a place that was welcoming and a connection between the two, as opposed to a scary piece of infrastructure that's sort of left over.